Buy all your Willys and Jeep restoration parts at thejeepsterman.com, because we're not just Jeepsters anymore.
All right, go.
My name is Bob Christy. I run the Willys reunion for about 10 years now. We are on our 29th year. This is my 1953 CJ3B. It's a little dirty.
So did you pick the color?
I did. I got it as close to Woodstock green as I could get it. This was a plow vehicle at a body shop when I got it, and it was held together with Bondo and popsicle sticks. And it took me 3 years to make it look this way.
That's good. So how original is it?
It's got a different year body on it. It's got fenders from a fire Jeep from Denison, Ohio. The frame is original. The hood's original. The windshield's original to the Jeep. The seats are original but recovered. The motor's original. Transmission transfer case. I did rebuild the motor. I did not rebuild the transmission or transfer case, but will if needed.
Well, tell me about your PTO, because I know you do a lot of stuff with the PTO. What is this?
This is a Newgren 3-point hitch, one of the earlier 3-point hitches after the Love, made in the mid-40s, 46, 47. And what I've got here is an ice cream maker that I rigged up to run off of the PTO. When I bought this Jeep, it had the PTO in a bucket in the back. And this Jeep did run when I bought it. I drove it home. But I like the PTO, so that's why I bought it. I added the Newgren after I rebuilt the Jeep. I found it at one of the Willys reunions. So kind of a rare piece.
You gonna make ice cream again tonight?
Depending on the weather.
Yeah, it looks like it's gonna be good.
Does it? Good.
Yeah, good. It's over fine. So what is it?
That's Eugene the Jeep from Popeye, and there's a story about the naming of the Jeep, whether it was named GP for general purpose and stretched into Jeep, or whether it was named after Eugene the Jeep, who was a little creature that could pop into different dimensions. And I think he belonged to the Sea Hag. He was the Sea Hag's companion, but he was a happy-go-lucky little thing. So
It's a Jeep.
the Amish guy that sewed this on here was just like, I don't know what the heck that is, you know. But I made it, and then the Amish guy sewed it on.
Looks good.
I gotta get some help on this here. I can't walk.
Trip over the curb. Here's not a bicycle.
Looks good, Bob.
So we enjoy driving it. I mean, it's.
And what else do you have? You have a Jeepster and.
I have a 49 Jeepster that's being restored at home. I have a 46 CJ2A column shift, and I've got this Empire tractor over here, and I've got a 1985 CJ10A, and I'm out of room. So.
Nice. All right.
To get a free copy of the Willys and Jeep Restoration Parts catalog from the Jeepster Man, go to www.thejeepsterman.com and order your free copy today.